Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you clicked to watch today's video. So today I'll be preparing spicy fried fish suya. This is very delicious. Another form of making suya. Yes. So before I take you through into the video, let's take the intro. So here is the fish that I'll be using to prepare this fish square. I'm using fish, which is melusa in Spanish. So if you are here, you can use this melusa. It works well for me. But if you don't get hold of this melusa, you can also use other fish as well. In fact, any fish of your choice is accepted. So I'll just go ahead and drain the water that is still remaining on the fish. It is nice if you're preparing this and you are doing it for the next day. Just leave the fish on a rank, and before the morning it will drain off. But many times I'm always in a haste when I am preparing lunch, so I just use the tissue paper to dry it off. So while I'll be putting them into the bowl, I will still be drying them. This is to ensure that the whole, not actually the whole water, that the 97% of the water is out. So I'll just thread them with the tissue and put them to the bowl before marinating them. After I've done cleaning the water off, I will just go ahead to marinate the fish with some ingredients that I have here with me. The first one that I will be using here is the green pepper mixture. This green pepper mixture is a combination of green habanero pepper, green sweet pepper, onion, ginger and garlic. Nonetheless, I will be adding also ginger and garlic to it because ginger and garlic works very well for me whenever I'm preparing fish. I add 1 cube of Maggi, 1 cube of Maggi, and I will be adding half of this suya spice and the salt, just a quarter of a salt, teaspoon of salt. I'll add them in there. If your hands are clean, just go ahead and mix them together. But I am using this glove because I cut my nails so wrongly. I don't want pepper to hurt my fingers. So I'll just go ahead and cut them very well. Make sure that every fish in there is coated with the spice and the ingredients. Alright, everything is done. I'll just cover it with thin nylon and set them in the refrigerator to marinate for 30 minutes. After that, I'll just go ahead and add oil to my frying pan. Yes, I added just the one that will get the fish to the middle. If you actually want to cover the fish, you can cover it. But since I'll be using the oil for stew, I don't want it much. This is the quantity that I need. I use about 200 ml of oil. And therefore, I'll go ahead to pour in the fish in the frying oil. I added onion too to the oil for more flavor because I didn't add any onions to the fish, so I decided to add it to the pan so that the flavor will get in there. So after about 15 minutes, I'll go ahead and use my Chinese chopping stick to turn them or flip them to the other side. Please be careful. This is a danger zone. Yeah, when you are turning them or flipping them, you have to be very careful. If not, your fish will break apart. So I will gently flip them to the other side, and if anyone is very stubborn or refuse to flip, get another partner. Yes, you don't have to do it only with one chopping stick, or else they will just, you see this, it refused to turn. So what I did is to get another chopping stick, and with the help of it I was able to flip it to the other side. Yeah. This fish don't really have any timing to fry it. You fry until the texture that you want the fish to be. If you don't like it too crunchy, you don't fry it much time. For me, this color and the texture is what I need. So I just took it off. Fry until it is brown and not black. You see this one is brown in color. And you can see the onion, it is not black. That black, no. Yes, because I started frying it earlier. So I'll just take them off and put them in a parchment paper or tissue paper so that it will dry off of excess oil before you take it to a plate. Yes, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much. So here are the fish. I'm just sprinkling the suya spice on it. So it tasted very nicely. You can also try this at home. You can eat it along with salad. You can eat it with fish. In fact, with many other things, or you just chew it along with your special drink. Yes, for the hobbies, this is one of their special when they are taking their evening drink. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you here. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.